This story is called Boris the Scottie Grounds All of the Scotties for No Reason by Austin Byler. And that's me. My name is Austin Byler. Boris the Scottie is bored, so he is going to ground all of the Scotties for no reason. First, Boris grounds Caillou the Scottie for no reason. And Boris says, "Caillou, how dare you wake up? That's it. You're grounded for 10 million years. Go to sleep right now and sleep forever." Second, Boris grounds Rosie the Scottie for no reason. And Boris says, "Rosie, how dare you put your clothes on? That's it. You're grounded for 11 million years. Go put your jammies on right now and stay in your room forever." Third, Boris grounds Daisy the Scottie for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, "Daisy, how dare you eat yogurt for breakfast? That's it. You're grounded for 12 million years. Eat your breakfast and go to your room now before it was punishment day." Fourth, Boris grounds Cody for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, "Cody, how dare you brush your teeth? That's it. You're grounded for 4 days. Make it dirty now and go to your room and sleep forever." Fifth, Boris grounds Emily for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, "Emily, how dare you get ready for school? That's it. You're grounded for the rest of your life. Go take off your backpack and take your shirt off and go to bed and sleep forever." Sixth, Boris grounds Lily for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, "Lily, how dare you come home from school? That's it. You're grounded for the rest of your life. Go to your room now, before it was punishment day." Seventh, Boris grounds Hannah and Sapphire for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, and Hannah said, "Boris, did you just ground me for no reason?" And Boris the Scottie said, "No." And Hannah and Sapphire, "How dare you eat dinner? That's it. You're grounded for the rest of your life. Make your food dirty and go to your room now and sleep forever." And last, Boris grounds Agnes and Amanda for no reason. And Boris the Scottie said, "Agnes and Amanda, how dare you get ready for bed? That's it. You're grounded for 5, 8, 7, 6, 12 million, 8, 7, 10 million, 8, 100,008 years." Then Boris the Scottie came and ground Boris for grounding all the Scotties for no reason. The end.